Hey there, today I want to do a short video on the accessories that my wife bought for her Velotric Breeze 1. She got the rear rack, the front basket, the fenders, and the phone holder, all from Velotric. She's been super happy with them. Just want to do a little review of those, some close-up shots, and maybe some measurements for you.
All right, so first she opted for, I'll start with the front basket. That's the front basket. Comes with the Breeze. It doesn't come with a Breeze 1. You can order for the Breeze 1. It mounts right in the frame. Pre-drilled holes, pre-threaded. So it's really easy to install. So I'll give you some close-up shots of it. Get a look at that. Tape measure. It's about 13.5 inches by 12 by about 4 inches tall. The bottom is wood. We did have one of these little bolts slightly loose. We had to tighten up. It rattled when she rode, so we did have to tighten that up. But that's the front basket she got for her Breeze 1. Next accessory, she went with the phone holder, and that's the Velotric phone holder. Very, very sturdy, very strong. Mounts on the handlebar there. Fully adjustable to width, and it's very solid aluminum, very sturdy. It's been a great phone holder. Almost bought one of those plastic ones off Amazon. I'm glad we didn't. So that's been a great add-on. Then she went with the excuse me. She went with the rear rack, and she hasn't really used that, but she wanted it anyways. Get a measurement here. That's about 15.5 by maybe an overall 7 inches. Of course, it's real easy to mount down there. Pre-drilled and threaded holes it goes into in the frame. Super easy. Just want to get some close-ups for you. You take a look at it. The rear rack for the Breeze 1. And then the last accessory she went with, you're kind of looking at already, the fenders. The fenders are plastic. They've held up okay. The front fender did crack. We had to contact Velotric about it. It cracked right here where this bracket mounts to the frame. The plastic cracked. But we contacted Velotric. I sent them pictures, and they, within a week, had 2 brand new fenders sent to us, and I had them installed, and now this new one has been fine. So I don't know if it was a design flaw in the first one or what the deal was, but we haven't had any problems since. I don't know if it was just a fluke or what happened, but these have been holding up pretty nice. I'll show you a close-up where they mount. So yeah, she went with the front basket, the rear rack, and the fenders for her Velotric Breeze 1. Some extra accessories. Oh, and the phone holder I forgot about. Just wanted to give you some close-ups and a little details on those.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been a help. If it has been, hit the like and subscribe to get notified of future videos. If you have any questions, comments, or tips of your own, leave them in the comments down below. Everybody would appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.